Hey, how's everyone doing today? Friday, and we're hoping this is going to be some rain. Out here, moving the round bales up to the feedlot or the bale yard with the Massey, and hoping that the rain comes. So it's looking promising. Do my rain dance here in the hopes. Wind's blowing pretty crazy here, so maybe it'll blow a nice storm in. But I don't even know what's left here to move. I want to get these things up there to the bale yard before winter sets in a month from now. So just thought I'd jump on here and do a quick video and say hi to everybody. Let you know what was going on. So everybody keep their fingers crossed that we get some rain out of here. It's looking promising. So, all right. Hope everybody has a good weekend, and I'm going to get back at getting these bales moved, and we'll holler at you later.